Assalamualaikum. I am Mokula Muriam from Nilphamari Government Girls High School. I am taking online class on writing informal letters for the students of class 9. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we are discussing informal letters. You know how to write letters. I am just reminding you some points that will help you to write attractive informal letters. We know there are 6 parts in a letter. Let's draw a page here. Suppose it is an answer script and you are writing informal letters. Before going to the letter, let's know about how many types of informal letters, how many styles there are in writing informal letters. We have 2 styles, one is British style and another is American style. Let's discuss British style first. In British style, you have to write down the address of the writer here, like this. Babupara, Nilphamari, and the date is here. Look at the address here. Babupara, Nilphamari, 8 September 2020. This part is called heading. In heading, you have to be careful in writing the date here. Look, I have written the date at first, then month, and after that year. You have to be careful here. If you write like this, that is month, date and year, then you have to put a comma here. Okay students? And if you write the date at first, then you need not to write a comma. But when you write the date after the month, then you have to put a comma. These are the points you have to notice. Then comes greeting or salutation. Dear Father. Here you also make mistakes. You write dear with capital letter, but sometimes you write father, mother, or the name of your friend in a small letter. Keep it in mind that you have to write the letter in capital. The first letter is in capital. Dear Father, okay? This part is called greeting or salutation. And next we are going to the third part, that is, I'm sorry student, here you have to notice another thing. In British style, you have to keep space just at the right side of the margin. Then you have to start like this. This is called indent. Keeping this space is called indent. And when you are writing the body, you have also keep space from the margin. Then you have to write the body like this. In body, you have to write several paras. you have to write several paras. This is not a paragraph, this is an informal letter, and you have to write many things here, your personal point of view. So there will be many paragraphs here. But you have, mandatorily, you have to write 3 paras here. The first one is where you write, how are you? I have just received your letter. These things are in a para, and the main points in another para. Like this. That is, the body will be divided in 3 parts. First part, when you are telling your friend or your father about your condition. The second one is the main point or the discussion about the subject of the letter. And the third one is when you are writing no more today, greetings to all, like this. So there will be 3 paras in a body. You can write more than 3 paras in a body, but 3 para is must. And after body comes subscription. In British style, the subscription will be use affectionate Rana. That is, the right side you have to write the subscription. And after subscription, you have to give your signature. In writing subscription, many of you mistake. Here you put an apostrophe comma, but students, you should not do this. Just here, yours, not apostrophe s. And at the end, the 6th number of the part of an informal letter is superscription. You need not to write the part in your answer script, superscription. So these are the 6 part of an informal letters, and this is the British style, that is keeping space from the margin, capitalization, heading at the right side, subscription at the right side. These are the key points you have to notice. Thank you, students. Dear student, let's learn about American style. American style is very easy. Just you have to write the points just beside the margin, like this. There is no para here, no space keeping here, that is indenting. And like this. Just you have to write down the whole letter at the very, you can start from the margin, just at the left side, the very left side you have to write the whole thing. This is called American style. American style, there is no indenting, just write down the whole thing just beside the margin. Thank you, students. We will meet in our next class. Have a good day.